The 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After, stars Asuelu Pala'a and Kalani Fagata have 2 sons, Oliver and Kennedy, and were about to share some 2021 pics of their children. This year, the proud parents have posted adorable shots of their kids. Even though Asuelu and Kalani's relationship is far from perfect, many franchise fans respect the fact that they are trying to stay together for the sake of their 2 sons. Kalani met Asuelu in July 2016 when she was on vacation in Samoa. Asuelu was working as the actress. She saw him shirtless, she figured that she may be. However, Kalani's parents were suspicious of Asuelu's intentions, as they thought that he might be hanging out with every female American tourist. Kalani's father wasn't sure the Samoan native would be able to take care of his daughter. However, they didn't have any choice but to support Kalani because she was already pregnant with her first baby boy. Kalani and Asuelu's welcomed Oliver in January 2018, and they got married in September 2018. Shortly after Asuelu arrived in the United States, the couple was preparing to welcome their second son. Kalani gave birth to Kennedy in May 2019. An encounter with a snowman. Kalani shared the adorable picture of her son shown above in March this year. She captioned the Instagram post with, "Don't forget to smooch your neighborhood snowman today." Easter 2021. Here is another adorable picture that Kalani shared at Easter. At the moment, Oliver is 3 years old, and his younger brother Kennedy is 2 years old. They are looking cute in their well-coordinated traditional ensembles while giving cheerful smiles to the camera. The 90-Day Fiancé star Kalani asked her fans if anything eventful happened with them at Easter and shared her own experience. "My highlight was Kennedy getting chocolate bunny all over his hands, only to realize it wasn't chocolate. Evening walk with Daddy. Asuelu may not be considered the best husband, but he is definitely a great father. He likes to spend most of his free time with his sons, teaching them Samoan dances or taking them on walks." Check out the Instagram post shown above. He shared it in April, with the caption, "Cheese Daddy." Evening walk and run. The brothers are looking adorable in their matching t-shirts and shorts. A fan said, "Your boys are so adorable. Enjoy them. Such a fun age." Kennedy's second birthday. The second son of Kalani and Asuelu Pala'a recently turned 2. He is growing up so fast that some fans thought that he just turned 4. Asuelu posted his birthday pictures with the caption, "Happy second birthday, Kennedy. Wish you more years to come. Love you son," as seen above. Other 90-Day Fiancé fans commented, "How cute are they? Getting big, and happy birthday Kennedy. Your party looked like so much fun. Oliver and Kennedy's trip to Disneyland." Last month, the Pala'a family went to Disneyland in California. Although Kalani and Asuelu are having relationship problems on the show, they looked very happy with each other in the IG picture above. Oliver and Kennedy also enjoyed the different rides. Asuelu posted a bunch of photos from the trip and captioned, "Kennedy's first time to at Disneyland and it was the best of the best even though it's hot as hell but it was worth it haha." Kalani's sister Kalani Fagata also joined the Pala'a family during their adventure. Many 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After viewers are happy to see that Asuelu and Kalani now have a friendly relationship.